Nairobi. Now 4 bullets were fired at his car. It's not clear how.
The country has been hijacked by hardliners for almost 48 hours now. They demand that Asia Bibi be sent to the gallows.
Hi guys, today's video is going to be about something super important. And what's that? Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech होता क्या है? ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? क्या ये वाकई आजकल दुनिया में देखने को मिलता है? Let's travel back to the time and see what happened. Freedom of speech. गाइज एक ऐसा फंडामेंटल ह्यूमन राइट है जो लोग यूज़ करते हैं अपने आइडियाज़, अपने ओपिनियंस और अपने बिलीव्स को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए विदाउट द फियर ऑफ बीइंग पनिश्ड. Just like a French writer Voltaire said, I do not agree with what you have to say, but I will defend to the death for your right to say it. So, if we discuss its history and origin, we came to know that in the medieval England there was no right of freedom of speech. किसी को भी हक नहीं दिया जाता था कि वो अपना ओपिनियन, अपना बिलीव एक्सप्रेस कर सके. इनफैक्ट एट दैट टाइम द चर्च होल्ड सिग्निफिकेंट पावर ओवर द लोकल मैसेज. तो उस वक्त अगर कोई भी शख्स अपनी आवाज़ उठाता था चर्च के ख़िलाफ़ या किसी भी अथॉरिटी के ख़िलाफ़, ही वॉज सेवरली पनिश्ड. देन फॉलोइंग द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रिंटिंग प्रेस बाय विलियम कैक्सटन इन 1476, हर प्रिंटिंग प्रेस से और हर प्रिंटर से ये चीज़ डिमांड की जाती थी कि वो किसी भी चीज़ को पब्लिश करने से पहले अप्रूवल लेंगे. So they were just bound not to publish anything they want. In this way, the church and other authorities, especially during the reigns of Mary I and Elizabeth I, all of the printing press was under the control of the British. Now let's move towards reality check. क्या freedom of speech वाकई exist करता है या फिर ये ख्वाब है? Let's discuss it in detail. So the case studies of Pakistan and India. First of all, I would like to mention the case of Arshad Sharif, a journalist from AMN News, who was killed for using his right of freedom of expression. Similarly, another case we can find in India, where a journalist Mukesh Chandrakar was found dead in a septic tank for using his right of expression. In the same way, if we mention a report of Pakistan Press Freedom, which mentions that 137 attacks targeting journalists were seen in the last 10 months. Similarly, 35 hours, 23 actions initiated by FIA in many more cases. In the same way, another case from Geo News, where a reporter Irfanullah and his cameraman Arslan Ali both were forced away by the authorities on reporting about the flood-hit areas in Faisalabad in 2024. अगर इन सब में हम इसका पाकिस्तानी मीडिया के ऊपर इम्पैक्ट एनालाइज करें, so we can say that Watchdog paints 2025 as a bleak year for Pakistani media. The report highlights total 35 cases of physical assault and manhandling, with 2 journalists getting injured while covering events, 5 being detained, 2 abducted, and 4 property attacks. Now, let's move towards origin of freedom of speech. How did it originate? First of all of this started in ancient Greece, where Prisia, or free speech, emerged as democratic principle. All of the men were given the right to raise their voices in the assemblies or in the parliament. The people of the Aden era are known as democratic Athens because they developed the concept of democracy and freedom of speech. Though this right was only given to the men and it didn't allow women, any foreigner or any slave to participate in the assemblies, still it was a good step. Following the democratic Athens, English Bill of Rights in 1689, when it was passed, it guaranteed the right of freedom of expression. This bill was largely based on ideas of political theorist John Locke. This bill also limited the power of monarchy and gave right to normal citizens to participate in the assemblies or in the parliament. Later on, this bill was adopted by US in US Constitution of 1791. Guys, according to Ronald Reagan Presidential Library, this US Constitution of 1791 and its First Amendment is a cornerstone of American liberty, as it protects the free speech for its citizens. Following this, United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights UDHR का आर्टिकल 19 भी इस राइट को अपने सिटीजन्स के लिए और ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए एक राइट एक्सेप्ट करता है. Similarly, if we move towards Pakistan, we came to know that Pakistan has also adopted this right in Article 19 of its 1973 Constitution. कोई भी पाकिस्तानी सिटीज़न, चाहे वो पार्लियामेंट में हो चाहे वो पब्लिक से हो, he can clearly express his opinion. In the same pattern, if we analyze and discuss any initiative taken by Indian government, we came to know about different organizations made by Indian government. इन organizations में जो सबसे ज़्यादा dominant है वो है Free Speech Collective. Let's see a report published by this organization and what does it presents. Guys, this report mentions free speech violations in the country in 2025. As it mentions the data, arrests were 117, attacks were 40, and harassment cases were 19, internet control were 3070, 9 people were killed, similarly 17 were given threats. So all of these factors highlight free speech violations in India and Pakistan and recent world. Now let's see how the land lies and what happens next. Guys, how can we promote responsible free speech in our communities? What do you say? Tell me in comments and you can also suggest next video topic. So guys, this video ends here. Let's meet in another video. Allah Hafiz.